welcome back to the channel. Alright, as y'all can see where I'm headed, okay? Harbor Freights. Now I had rode off Harbor Freights, man. I had a bad experience up here last time. And in fact, watch this video right here, man. I'm gonna put it right here. It was a tool I bought out of here. Total piece of garbage tool. I think I gave the tool too much credit, so well, it didn't work out for me. But they would not give me my money back, so I had literally wrote them off. But as you know, this is one of the places you can get fairly cheap, inexpensive tools that sometimes will offer, yes, y'all see that? A yellow lifetime warranty. Now y'all know my beliefs about tools that offer lifetime warranty. I seem to think that it's okay to get those because obviously the company that made the tool had to put some thinking into the tool, into making a tool in order to make it lifetime warranty. Everybody not gonna offer lifetime warranty on junk or terrible or poorly made tools, let me put it like that. But actually what I am looking for is, okay, y'all remember the yeah, here you go. Y'all remember the incident I had with the compression gauge, the 3.6 I was doing the other day. I had to borrow somebody's compression gauge. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like doing that. And I have a 3-borrow rule with my tools, and I'm sure other mechanics have some form of some form of restriction in place with their tools. Probably 3-borrow rule, I don't know, but that's mine. And if I need to borrow it 3 times, I will essentially buy it, okay? Now, I even brought along with me, somewhere in my pocket is a spark plug out of a 3.6, just to make sure. Now, I can't really open this, but it looks like this small one here. This is a plug, a spark plug out of a 3.6 engine. Looks like this is exactly what I need. So with that being said, I'm a chance it. Now it's not really a chance because they give you, I think, 30-day warranty. In my case, I end up I don't know what I did with the receipt. And on top of that, they had it on file. She just wouldn't give my money back. So I had wrote off Harbor Freights. But as you can see, I am back in here. Okay, so I will be getting that. I need it. I don't borrow people's stuff. And because that's mostly what I work on is 3.6, I'm obviously going to need it from time to time. All right, let me walk around the store and see if there's anything else I may need. Oh, I know what I need to look at. I need to look at 3/8 impact, one of the small heads, one of the ones that you can get in tight places. I seen a guy doing actually I had to borrow his to do radiator, crankshaft dampener, and the radiator was awful close to it, so I couldn't get it off. Well, I couldn't get nothing small enough in there to break the bolt loose. So I had to go borrow his small head impact. Now, the thing about these, all of these are not made the same. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about like this. So you need to get one that's has some power behind it, man. Nothing like buying some junk as advertised. This is an earthquake model. That is tiny. I can get, these are like the same, but this one 35% more compact. I need some numbers, some spec numbers, some torque numbers, okay? Extreme torque, but it's $30 more. Okay, so basically I'm looking for some specs. So it's gonna be a tie between this one and this one. This one looks like it's more compact than this one. Not much, but it is. Okay, so according to this, I would get 550 foot-pounds out of this one, as opposed to 700 foot-pounds. Now, that, ladies and gentlemen, is a $20 difference. Okay, so is 200 more foot-pound worth it? I highly think yes. And $109 not bad. So, but I really need this. Okay, so I will break down and get this. I see this sitting here, but I hope. Oh, this is if I join some. Okay, so wow. See the this one or this one? 700 foot-pounds seem unrealistic. Okay, especially compared to regular impacts. I mean, what's a normal regular impact going rate? Something like this. Oh, this says 1,000. I think they over-exaggerating these numbers, y'all. Now, I ain't no pro, but these numbers may be a little over-exaggeration. But I'm going to end up getting this. I'm not sure what kind of warranty. It says advertised, so that means it's on sale. Alright, so again, this and the compression gauge. Let me walk around, see what else, if anything else that I need. It's always something that you need, man. Or it's always something you think you need. Or it's always something you need only when you see it. Okay, so you don't really need none of it until you actually see it. Alright, let me go back over to the socket area. Alright, and there was a little light that I seen. Y'all know, of course, y'all know firsthand. I do videos. I saw the perfect light that I can use at my toolbox while I film. And lighting is very important, by the way. He told me over here on aisle 7. So that ought to about wrap it up. Hope it's the one I'm thinking about, the one I'm talking about. And this is aisle 7. Voila. Right here, y'all. These are perfect. Okay. It's got a magnet on the end. You can turn it on, put it right to your face while you're filming. That would get you some good light on just about whatever you're doing. This is what I need. All right, let me wrap this up. All right. Oh, by the way, I ended up picking up a $4 rubber mallet. Let me get my gauge and my impact. And we're gonna call this a wrap. Still in the same spot. Okay, yeah, this is the tool I did. Or this is the tool review I did. That is a piece of garbage. Sorry, Harbor Freights. I mean, this may be too. I don't know, but I need it and I'm gonna find out. I don't really have. It's only $30, so I don't really have $150. Like my buddy Patrick Hannikin. I don't really. He got an account with Snap-on, so I don't really have an account with Snap-on, so I can't really. I can do $30 for a compression gauge, and that looks like it will work for what I need it for, which is a 3.6. All right, let me go get my impact, and then we're gonna wrap this up, ladies and gentlemen. I have to get home. I am actually test driving a vehicle, and I just have to get it home. All right, where is this so-called 700 foot-pound small head torque half-inch drive gun? That's what I need. Okay, extra torque, ultra compact. Is this it? Well, I think you just take a ticket out of here and take it to them. I think that's how that works. But at any rate, this is what I'm gonna get. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm tired of walking around whispering. Oh, it's right here. Oh, it says take one. $105. That'll set me back, but I gotta have it. Okay. I can't keep borrowing people's stuff, and young mechanics, you shouldn't either. All right, let me wrap this up, man. Thanks for watching. comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.